professors, and secretary sir, teachers, HODs, and my dear friends. I am Praful Chauhan, studied in BTech Mechanical 4th year. I am here and I am glad that I am the part of this convocation program. Education they say is the key to success. I add that a transformative education is a candle that will light our paths when darkness shows its ugly face. It is a key that will open the doors of despair, and this is the education Aryan Institute of Technology provided in the city of India. I am incredibly happy that I chose this university for study. Over these 3 years, Aryan has become my second home, my safe haven with one of the most unique cultures and kindest people. Not forgetting wonderful peaceful atmosphere, I am sure it is loved by true Aryans. At AIT, I have met great people and individuals that inspired me to a great length. Okay, let me be very honest. I have many ups and downs in my diploma life, but if I have achieved this position in Mechanical Branch 2013-16 batch, because of my faculties, Rahul sir, Hapur sir, Arun sir, Sachin sir, Nawab sir, Hafiz sir, and all other faculties. I like to thank them for always supporting me. Thank you.
Thank you, Praful. Now I will invite Mr. Pransu Srivastava of Civil Engineering Branch for sharing his overall industrial exposure and academic experience with all